We are living in a time of profound transformation, a moment where humans and intelligent machines are no longer evolving separately, but learning to move forward together. For many years, technology was seen as a threat, a replacement, a competitor. Today, that vision is changing. In the modern workplace, humans and artificial intelligence collaborate every day. Machines analyze data, automate repetitive tasks, and handle complex calculations at incredible speed. Humans bring creativity, critical thinking, emotions, and vision. Together, they solve problems more efficiently and create smarter solutions. In factories and industries, robots take on dangerous and physically demanding tasks, reducing risks and improving safety. Humans focus on supervision, innovation, and decision-making. It is not replacement, it is cooperation. This collaboration also transforms education. In classrooms and digital learning spaces, AI becomes a powerful assistant. Teachers are supported by intelligent tools that adapt lessons to each student's pace. Learning becomes more visual, more interactive, and more inclusive. Students gain access to knowledge anytime, anywhere. Education becomes a bridge, not a barrier. In agriculture, technology reconnects us with nature. Farmers work alongside intelligent machines to monitor crops, manage resources, and protect the land. AI helps reduce water usage, predict harvests, and improve food production. Human experience combined with machine precision helps feed the world sustainably. Collaboration extends beyond work and learning. In sports and physical training, AI becomes a silent partner. It analyzes movement, posture, and performance in real time. Athletes train smarter, avoid injuries, and reach new levels of excellence. From running and fitness to team sports, technology supports human effort without replacing it. In yoga and wellness, AI plays a different role. Here, technology slows things down. It guides breathing, posture, and mindfulness, helping people reconnect with their bodies, calm their minds, and find balance. Technology becomes a tool for inner peace, not distraction. And through animation and digital storytelling, this future becomes easier to understand. Animated characters, simple visuals, and creative scenes allow complex ideas to become accessible to everyone. Stories replace fear with curiosity. Imagination replaces resistance. Across all these fields, one truth remains the same. Robots do not replace humanity. They amplify it. They extend our abilities, support our decisions, and help us focus on what truly matters. Creativity, empathy, wisdom. The future is not humans versus machines. It is humans and machines working in harmony. This future is not distant. It is already unfolding, every day, all around us. And this is only the beginning.